The question of what happens after we die has captivated humanity for centuries. Across cultures and throughout history, people have grappled with this profound mystery. Do we simply cease to exist, or is there some form of continued existence beyond the physical realm? This enduring question has been the source of countless beliefs, philosophies, and spiritual traditions. While definitive answers remain elusive, exploring different perspectives can offer insights into this profound subject. From the tangible biological processes that occur after death to the ethereal realm of near-death experiences, we will delve into the facts, beliefs, and mysteries surrounding life after death. Join us as we navigate this complex and fascinating terrain, seeking to understand what lies beyond the veil of mortality. Death, in medical terms, is defined as the irreversible cessation of all brain function, including the brain stem. This typically occurs after the heart stops beating, cutting off oxygen supply to the brain. Once death is declared, the physical body begins a natural process of decomposition. One of the first noticeable changes is algor mortis, the gradual cooling of the body to the surrounding temperature. This is followed by rigor mortis, the stiffening of the muscles due to chemical changes within the cells. As blood settles, a purplish discoloration, known as livor mortis, becomes apparent. Over time, microorganisms begin to break down tissues, a process known as putrefaction, leading to the release of gases and characteristic odors. The final stage of decomposition is skeletonization, where soft tissues are completely broken down, leaving behind the skeletal structure. This process can take years, influenced by factors such as temperature, humidity, and burial conditions. While these physical processes provide a clear understanding of what happens to the body after death, they offer little insight into the fate of consciousness or the soul. Near-death experiences, or NDEs, offer a tantalizing glimpse into the possibility of life after death. Individuals who have been resuscitated from near-fatal events often report profound and often inexplicable experiences. These experiences can vary widely, but often share common themes such as feelings of peace and tranquility, out-of-body sensations, encountering a bright light, or being reunited with deceased loved ones. While NDEs are often interpreted as spiritual experiences, scientific explanations attribute them to physiological changes in the brain during extreme stress and oxygen deprivation. For example, the release of endorphins during trauma can induce feelings of euphoria and pain relief, while changes in brain activity can create altered states of consciousness, leading to hallucinations or out-of-body sensations. Despite scientific explanations, many individuals who have had NDEs believe they offer a glimpse into the afterlife, reinforcing their beliefs in the survival of consciousness beyond physical death. Section 4. Dualism, the soul's journey beyond the physical realm. Dualism, a philosophical concept championed by René Descartes, proposes that the mind and body are distinct entities. The mind, or soul, is considered non-physical and independent of the physical body. According to this view, when the body dies, the soul continues to exist, potentially moving on to a different realm or state of being. This concept has been a cornerstone of many religious and spiritual traditions, offering comfort and hope in the face of mortality. The soul, often viewed as the essence of a person's identity, thoughts, and memories, is believed to be eternal and capable of existing beyond the constraints of the physical world. While dualism provides a framework for understanding the soul's potential journey after death, it raises questions about the nature of the soul and its existence independent of the physical body. Section 5. The Eternal Return. Nietzsche's concept of infinite cycles. Friedrich Nietzsche, a 19th century German philosopher, proposed a thought-provoking concept known as the eternal recurrence. This theory suggests that time is not linear but rather cyclical, and that all events in the universe will repeat themselves infinitely in the exact same sequence. This means that each individual will live their life, with all its joys and sorrows, an infinite number of times. While this concept can be both exhilarating and terrifying, it challenges traditional notions of linear time and the finality of death. Instead of a definitive end, Death becomes a transition point in an endless cycle of existence. Nietzsche's concept of eternal recurrence, while lacking empirical evidence, offers a unique perspective on the nature of time, existence, and the possibility of life after death. Section 6. Samsara, the cycle of rebirth in Buddhist thought. In Buddhist philosophy, the concept of samsara describes the continuous cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. According to this belief system, death is not the end of existence, but rather a transition point in an ongoing journey of the soul. Upon death, it is believed that the soul is reborn into a new life based on the accumulated karma from previous lives. Karma, in this context, refers to the law of cause and effect, where actions in one life influence the circumstances of future lives. The ultimate goal in Buddhism is to achieve enlightenment, or nirvana, a state of liberation from the cycle of samsara. Samsara offers a different perspective on life after death, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all beings and the importance of ethical conduct in shaping one's future lives. Section 7. Conclusion. The ongoing quest for understanding. The question of life after death continues to intrigue and mystify us. While science provides insights into the physical processes of death, near-death experiences offer tantalizing glimpses into the possibility of something more. Philosophical and religious perspectives provide frameworks for understanding the soul's journey beyond the physical realm, exploring concepts such as dualism, eternal recurrence, and samsara. While definitive answers remain elusive, the ongoing quest to understand life after death is a testament to our innate desire to make sense of our mortality and find meaning in the face of the unknown.